I'm making 3 healthy lunch or dinner recipes, and these are all from Trader Joe's. They're high in protein and they're quick to make, and they are using minimal ingredients with loads of flavor. And by the way, they're super easy. So let me show you what I'm doing. First one, literally one night I was like, what the heck am I gonna make for dinner? And this is what I came up with. I took some ground beef. So keep some Trader Joe's ground beef in the freezer. Now I like the super lean stuff. So this is 96% protein, 4% fat. So super lean ground beef, that's the first step, and you are just going to saute, brown this on up. So through the magic of video, this is cooked. cooked. And what I'm going to do next, so here's the thing, this was super lean, so I'm not worried about draining it. And I'm going to use the little bit of beef fat in there to help with cooking. All I'm adding, this is like the easiest thing ever, I'm adding this Mexican cauliflower rice from Trader Joe's, amazing stuff. And then I just also added in some just plain organic cauliflower rice from Trader Joe's. Why? Because I love cauliflower rice and I want to get as many veggies as possible. So that is it. 3 ingredients, really. Now, 4, because I love sea salt. So I'm always adding more. I have a lot of little olive oil here in case it sticks, but I doubt it. By the way, I'm also using, this is a paella pan. So we got a paella pan because my son wanted to make paella for Christmas. And I'm all about that because I think turkey's just kind of And I've been using it ever since. I probably should invest in a better paella pan, but they are like super handy. Easy peasy. All you need to do now is let this heat all the way through. If you want to get a little bit of browning on the cauliflower rice, you can let it go a little longer. But that's it. This is dinner served. And here's what I love to do with this. I've got loads of vegetables, a rainbow of them, peppers and green chilies and cauliflower, some grass-fed beef. And then Trader Joe's has this stuff called guaca salsa. I just like saying that, guaca salsa. And so it's tomatilla salsa with guacamole. So this is awesome to put on top. So you just put this in a bowl, put a little guaca salsa on top, done. All right, next up, easy one, is loaded lentil soup. So I'm starting with lentil soup with ancient greens. Now, full disclosure, I wanted to get the other lentil soup they had in the can, but here's the one challenge that I have with Trader Joe's. You never know what's going to be there when you get there. So this one was there, so I got that. And let me show you how I'm doctoring it up. So first of all, it's this loaded lentil soup, and it's got, the whole container is 460 calories. Each serving has 9 grams of protein, so not enough. Okay, but here's what we're going to do for it. So this thing is just like a lot. Like, it's very, very thick. So it's a good base is what I say, and that's how I view soups. So first thing I did was put in this lentil soup with ancient grains. Everything is gluten-free. And then what I'm going to add into it, pump up the protein. So first of all, Trader Joe's has this awesome organic bone broth. So I'm dumping in the bone broth. I'll probably do half the package. Then Trader Joe's has these boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now they also have just shredded chicken, diced chicken, all chicken, different kinds of chicken breasts. Again, it depends on what Trader Joe's actually has when you go in there. So I'm also going to just throw in some chicken. But here's why I like this so much is I just made this now. I'll show you what it looks like. It's now loaded with protein and fiber. Now, here's the only challenge. Like, this is a perfect thing, and what's great is this can stay in the fridge for a couple days, but it's not enough vegetables, right? So I'm going to show you what we're going to do on the side. But so far, just to be clear, all I've done is added chicken, lentils, lentil soup, and bone broth. So I got 3 things so far because I'm keeping this down to minimal ingredients. You're going to just leave this to go simmer. So I'm going to simmer it on the back, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the next thing. Okay, this is one of my most favorite veggie dishes. So first thing I'm going to do is use some Trader Joe's organic olive oil. I chose the Spanish because I just came back from Spain and I'm kind of obsessed with Spain. So that's step 1. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add in my mushrooms. And I got from Trader Joe's, I'll show you, shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms are my most favorite mushrooms. So I'm going to let these mushrooms sit here and get fabulous. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in this slightly steamed some green beans, and I am going to just steam them so that when the mushrooms are ready, all I have to do is add them in. Okay, so here's what went on while I was gone. I sauteed up those shiitake mushrooms in some olive oil. I put a little sea salt from Trader Joe's on top, and then I lightly steamed these green beans. You don't want to do too much. No one likes mushy green beans. So you have the shiitake green beans going on, and then what you do is you serve a beautiful bowl of your loaded lentil soup, your chicken lentil soup with bone broth, and then you have a plate of green beans with fresh shiitake mushrooms. You got your protein, you got your veggies, you got some healthy fat from olive oil, so your protein, fat, and fiber trifecta, and we literally had 7 ingredients if you count the olive oil and the sea salt. All right, I love artichokes. So I was super excited to find these frozen artichoke hearts at Trader Joe's. And then I found this amazing hearts of palm pasta. Here's what's crazy about this stuff. So a serving of hearts of palm pasta, 2 grams of fiber, basically 20 calories. This is like the greatest stuff ever. So I'm going to show you one of my most favorite little quick dishes. And so what I'm going to do here is put a little of my Trader Joe's olive oil in the bottom of this. I love these Trader Joe's fire roasted bell peppers and onions. So I'm going to do this. They've got red, yellow, and green bell peppers. So I'm putting this in. This is going in first. And when I make pasta sauce, I like chunky. So putting that in, and I'm putting in these artichoke hearts. So step 1 in there, I'm just going to let that kind of saute up a little bit with the olive oil. Okay, so I have got my artichokes and peppers sauteing. Next in, I'm going to add now chicken breasts already cooked, and they've got a couple different ways you can grab those, and I'm just going to toss it in. So now I did some chicken strips. They also have cut chicken strips if you are even lazier than me. So I've got those 3 things. The next thing I'm going to do is I've got some organic tomato basil sauce. See that grip strength? And then you just kind of let that simmer a little bit. If you want to thin it a little bit, a little Dry Farm red wine is also a good little addition. They just don't sell it at Trader Joe's, and this is a Trader Joe's party. So then, to finish this off, all you have to do, literally, this is the easiest thing ever. You steam this for a couple of minutes, put it in a bowl, top it with this awesome sauce. It is that easy. Did you see how quickly I did this? Like we're talking 15 minutes, and look at this finished. And if you want to spice it up a little bit, you can add in some crushed red pepper. I always say that because my husband loves spice. But let's look at this. We've got these amazing linguine hearts of palm noodles, very low calorie, lots of fiber. So you got some veggies in there. Then I've got artichokes, red, green, and yellow peppers, onions. I've got tomato sauce. I added in some olive oil, and I've got chicken. So we've got all the bases covered here. Probably the only thing I might serve with it, just to round it out, is I might do a little arugula salad with just a little, olive oil, sea salt, and a little red wine vinegar. Easy. So there you go. Chicken marinara, hearts of palm pasta, peppers and onions, artichoke hearts, and oh my gosh, I used olive oil. So 6 ingredients, probably like 15 minutes. Easy. All right, so I took a couple minutes to heat this up. You could microwave it. I don't like microwaving, so I put it on the stove, 5 minutes. This is the entire box. They say this is 3 servings, but reality is it's 60 calories. So this is my serving. And then all you're gonna do is spoon this over it. There you go. Chicken artichoke pasta for the win. Okay, so I know that you love the idea of making things with 8 ingredients, 6 ingredients, 5 ingredients that are quick and easy. So I've got more for you. If you want to get some high protein lunches, watch this next video for my go-tos that I'll do when I have like 5 minutes.